Yep. 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 Oh, good morning. Wow. Oh. I've come out this morning to a bit of a lump out here in 28 metres. Goal was to just try and jig up a couple of Samson fish or maybe a kingfish, and seems like it's happening for me. I thought I'd drop a jig down here and see if I can get myself something on the jig, and it seems like I have. Oh, can't tell you how good these comfort cushions for your rod are. I'll lift this guy. There he is. There you go. Beautiful little Samson fish on that little jig. I think it's a Jignesis. He's not huge by any stretch, but I'm sure there was bigger. I saw bigger ones following him up there, so I'll get this guy back. And hopefully my other bait, hopefully this other bait I've got down here gets eaten by something bigger. See you, buddy. Hang on, we're in over here. Oh! Oh! There we go. My bait was just getting slammed over there, so I was winding in my jig to deal with that. And now I've hooked another one. The jig's got slammed. This one feels like a slightly better one than the first one I got. No, come on, out of the bottom, out of the bottom, out of the bottom. Out of the bottom. Oh, he's in the crunchy stuff. Crikey, where's my rod bucket? Okay, got him up off the bottom now. That was trouble for a second there. Oh, there's a whole school of them. Oh, that was a bigger one I just saw then. This guy here, he's a bigger one. There you go, just another little fun sized Samson fish. Oh, I'm in over here now. I'm gonna get this guy off. And deal with whatever's going on here. This one's just taken my half a herring bait. Oh, this one feels solid. My rod cushion again. Oh, hang on a minute. I was got to get this guy off the bottom. Oh, I'm making a meal out of this. Get my rod cushion on. Rightio. Let's go. Oh, it had to happen sooner or later. You can't just stick half a herring down there and expect it not to get eaten. I'm surprised it took this long actually. Oh, he's got me puffing. I don't even think he's that big. Oh, look at the school. Can you guys see that school there? That's sick. Oh, he's bigger. Oh, there you go. He's slightly bigger. He's got me puffing, that's for sure. He just took that half herring. I'll get him back in. That was a Black Magic Sea Point hook was right in the corner of his jaw there. He'll release easily. Beautiful. Oh, that's fun. I'm buggered after that, I've got to say. Just goes to show you, you can still have a bit of fun. I know the demersal closures are on and everyone's crying because they can't go fishing. Well, you can still go fishing. You just can't catch demersal fish. You can still come out and have some fun. Shorebait's sitting on the couch. I got fish on the sound, they're up around 10 meters. I wonder if I could throw a stick bait out, if I could bring them up to the surface. That would be pretty cool. That'd be fun. I'm gonna throw this stick bait, see if I can bring some to the surface. It'd be pretty cool to get hit on a surface strike. I don't know how it's gonna go. If it splashes around and makes a bit of noise, it might. Oh, there they are. They're right there on the surface. Oh! Oh, they just hit it. Oh, oh no way. You saw that? All I did was splash that stick bait around and they came straight up for it. Oh, that's crazy. Who would have thought? Well, I kind of knew, to be honest. They're pretty aggressive fish. Oh, he's off, he's off. I reckon this will hook up on the way back. Something will hit this on the way up. Oh, they're following it. Oh, yeah. Oh, you're joking. Oh, now I'm in on that other one too. That's hectic. Oh, that was crazy. Come on, dude, I want my stick bait back. Oh no, he has made a mess. An absolute mess. Absolute mess. That is not cool. Not cool at all. There you go. He made a bit of a mess with the other line, but Sambo on stick bait. I'm pretty happy with that, to be honest. Phew. Put him back. I'm just going to clean up this bit of mess I've got here, and I'm going to throw this stick bait out again. Oh, they're all on the surface still. All right. Oh, they're all right there. All right, watch this. Sambo's on the stick bait. Just going to splash it around a bit, get them up. Just going to make a bit of splash and a bit of commotion, and I reckon they'll come up for it. They did last time. Oh, they're all here mid-water. My other GoPro's just gone flat, but they're all like on the surface. There they are, there they are. Look at him. Watch, come on. Yeah, look at that. Oh, no way. Oh God, I hope I caught that on camera. That was sick. Oh, it doesn't get much better than this. Unless Scott gets the fly rod out. That could be a stupid thing to do, but I'm not known for my smartness. This little Saltfix has been actually a really good reel. I've had it for probably, I don't know, 2 years now. It actually goes quite hard. It's a 5,000 size. And I got this loaded with 50-pound braid now because I was wanting to use it for the likes of kingfish and stuff. Look at this guy. Oh, can you see all of them down there? That is nuts. There you go. All right, check this out. So I'm in 25 meters, but they're all still up on the surface. Chuck my little stick bait out here, my little Daiwa. It's a little Daiwa Saltiga stick bait, nice and shiny. I'm gonna stick that out, let that splash around on the surface a little bit. And I reckon, old man, oh, that was them right there. They just came straight up for that. Yeah, I'm just gonna swim it by the side of the boat. Watch this. See if I can get another strike right here. He's down there, he's just lurking. I can see one lurking. Come on, eat it. Oh, here comes the whole school. Someone will get angry now. Someone will get angry now. The whole school's here. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Wow. That is crazy. Get my rod butt on. Just madness. Okay, so the jigs weren't really working. I was throwing jigs around for about probably half an hour to 45 minutes this morning. I think I got 2 fish, but they weren't really too interested in the jigs. But wow, they seem to like this topwater stuff all right. Oh, this is a good fish, I think. Yeah. Wow, sir. Give me your tail, buddy. Oh no, he just got off with my stick bait. So, oh, I'm buggered. Oh my God, that is craziness. He just owned my stick bait. Not chuffed. All right, I got a heavier. This is a heavier stick bait, an even bigger one, this one, but this is a sinking one. So I can let this one go down a little bit and see if I can get them back up to the surface again. See if they'll come back up for it. I reckon they probably will. More splashing, see if I can get them in the mood. They're all still here. See on the sounder here? They're all still high in their water column. Oh, they're there, they're there. Come on, eat it, eat it, eat it. Yep. Oh, sorry dude, no mercy on you. Oh, I got 80 pound here pretty much locked up, and this guy is pretty green. I might actually let him go for a swim, he's pretty green. I don't want to bring him on the board that angry. I just stopped him dead there. Oh, he's just come off. That's all right, I was going to let him go anyway. They're all still there. All right, I've had enough here. I've had my fun. I've got a heap of Samson fish. I'm going to, I never thought I was going to get one on a stick bait, to be fair, but just shows you if you're keen to try something new, anything can happen.